As this year is coming to an end pretty quickly, it is time for another channel review to let you guys know what is gonna be happening here in the next couple of months. Let's do it. Hey there underwater filmmakers, welcome back to the Underwater Filmmaking School and today's channel update. Now in today's video I want to just briefly give you an overview of the things that have been happening here and are happening in the next couple of months here on the channel, as well as with the Underwater Filmmaking School and all the activities that we run besides this channel here on YouTube. Now, first of all, I want to talk about upcoming group trips that will happen within the next year or so. We've got a couple new group trips that we've just announced. I'm going to put the link down to the website, the group trip or workshop section on my website down in the video description below, so feel free to go over there and check it out if you're interested in joining any of our upcoming group trips. Just a brief overview of what is waiting for you there. We have got a location scouting trip that is going to happen most likely at the beginning of April next week. It's going to take me to the Maldives, to a local island in South Ari Atoll. I'm going to be spending there a week, and I'm going to be using that week to basically scout the location, to check out the dive center that we want to be working with in the future, to check out the little guest house that is going to be used for accommodating our students. I want to see the logistics on location, and obviously I want to go and do the dives there and see how whether or not this is a suitable location for us as the Underwater Filmmaking School to have a future underwater videography workshop in that location. The dives will be including diving with whale sharks, with manta rays, diving in the channels in the South Ari Atoll, the lagoons, all that sort of stuff. So it's meant to be some really good diving. And as I said, it's not a workshop yet. I'm really just scouting the location, but I've talked with the guys, the management of the dive center over there, and asked them whether it would be okay to have some of you guys tag along with me if you want, giving you that option to just come and spend a week of fun diving with me in the Maldives. And they said yes. So I can offer you a tag-along deal, a special deal for a week of diving in the Maldives with me together, probably early April 2023. I haven't really got all the details yet, but you can definitely send me an email to contact@matthiaslebo.com, letting me know that you're interested in joining me on that trip if that's the case, so I can then inform you right away as soon as I've got all the details on the exact date, as well as the pricing, the inclusions and everything like that. Another trip that I want to highlight here is our newly released underwater videography workshop in Croatia in June 2023. It will take place from the 17th to the 24th of June, and I'm really excited that we've made this location a reality and this trip a reality. We'll be working together with a partner dive center here in Switzerland. They've been going to this specific area for the past 15-16 years, so they know the area very well, and we'll be able to kind of join them and do our underwater videography workshop alongside their group trip there. If you've always wanted to dive Croatia, the Mediterranean Sea, then this might be your chance. I'll put the link down to the trip booklet, which is on our website already, down in the video description below. We've got everything, all the details like prices, dates, accommodation, all that stuff is all sorted out. It's in the trip booklet. You can go and check that out. And if you want to join us on this trip, again, please send me an email with your registration form to bookings@matthiaslebo.com. There is obviously more trips available as well, like the Philippines trip that I'm hosting together with my friends from Divers Ready, with James and Karina, which will happen in October, November 2023. That one is also linked down in the video description below, so you can go and check that out. There is only a couple spots left for that one, so if you want to join us on the Philippines adventure, be sure to be quick in registering for that trip there. So leaving the underwater video workshops and the group trips aside, what else is new? Well, I've been working on a GoPro Green Water LUT for quite some time, and I'm very happy to announce that it's finally finished. Quite a few of you guys have asked me to create a specific green water LUT pack for GoPro footage, because in my current basic GoPro basic LUT pack there is not really a LUT that works with green water footage. And finally I've come around to create such a LUT pack specifically made for green water footage. I'm very sorry it took me quite a bit of time to do so, but finally I am very happy to announce that I have created it. It's published, it's out in my online store and ready to be purchased there. Since Black Friday is just around the corner, you can use this opportunity to get yourself a special deal on the newly released Green Water GoPro LUT pack. For a limited time, starting today on the 22nd of November all the way through to the 29th of November, you can get yourself a €10 discount on the GoPro Green Water LUT pack. So instead of the regular €29, you can get the LUT pack for €19 only. I'm also going to be offering a Black Friday special for my existing online underwater videography course, Learn to Film Underwater. This course is normally priced at €249. Right now you can get it for €99 for a limited time only, same as with the GoPro Green Water LUT pack. This deal is valid from today, the 22nd of November, all the way through to the 29th of November. The link to my online shop and these products is going to be down in the video description below. And once you get to the checkout page, make sure to put the coupon code BLACKFRIDAY22 in there to claim your discounts. Talking about Black Friday, I also don't want to miss to inform you guys that my friends at Divefork, the ones who are making the best underwater smartphone housing on the market, the Divefork C-Touch 4 Max, they are introducing a Black Friday special sale as well for a limited time only. From the 24th of November to the 26th of November, they are offering a 20% discount on all the products that you buy in their online shop. I'll leave a link down in the video description below. This link has the coupon code already included in it, integrated in it. So by clicking on this link and then putting something in your shopping trolley, you will get the 20% discount applied automatically upon checkout. So feel free to go over there and check out their underwater smartphone housing and accessories for their housing. As I said previously, it is in my opinion by far the best underwater smartphone housing that you can get these days out on the market. So enough with special deals and Black Friday discounts for now. There is one more thing that I want to share with you before we bring this video to an end, and it is that I am planning on holding a live stream, a Q&A live session on December 14th here on the channel at 6 p.m. Central European Time. I want to use this as kind of a end of the year live stream session with you guys to answer any questions that you might have regarding underwater videography. It's going to be probably about an hour and a half session. We can just hang out, chat a little bit. You can ask me anything you want to know about underwater videography, and we'll use that as kind of a nice way to close off 2022. I'm also going to be sharing some new stuff that is going to be happening in 2023 here on the channel. So if that's something of interest to you, make sure to join us for this live stream there as well. I will be sharing some more posts about the live stream, letting you know when we get closer to the date so you cannot miss it. But also, if you want to make sure not to miss it for sure, well, then please put that date into your agenda, the 14th of December, 6 p.m. Central European Time, for a nice live Q&A session with me here right on YouTube. And that brings our channel update for the month of November here to an end. Thank you so much guys for your time and for sticking with me all the way to the end. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, so you're not missing out on any of the exciting content that will be uploaded here in the coming month. Again, thanks so much for all your support, for the time spent here with me on YouTube. I wish you a fantastic week. Enjoy capturing your underwater adventures, and I will see you in the next one.